See the formation of PN junction diode. Okay, P-type material and N-type material. If we make arrangement like this, it forms the junction. So when you combine these two material, holes are try to move from the P region to N region. When hole enter in, suppose when hole P-type, N-type material having the donor ions. Okay, so donor ion accept the and becomes the immobile ion. Okay, that becomes the immobile ion. So acceptor ion charge is negative, and here electron charge is negative. Accept the electron, acceptor ion, and that becomes the immobile ion. Okay, so that is there is no charge. Okay, so the establish suppose like this comes near to the junction, and similarly donor ions moves from the N region to P region, and P region having holes. Okay, hole charge is positive and donor is also positive, that become more positive, nothing but that becomes the chargeless particle, so this is the way, suppose that the junction form. Okay, when you combine these two material P and N, it forms the junction. Okay, so inside the majority carriers in P region electrons and majority carriers in P region holes. Okay, and similarly minority carriers in N-type material holes, and majority carriers is electrons. So when you combine these two material, acceptor ions moves from the P region to N region, and inside N region there is the electrons will be there, the charge electrons is negative. Okay, the acceptor ions accept the electrons, and that becomes the immobile ion. Then similarly from the N region, donor ions moves in P region having the charge positive. Okay, whole charge positive, and accept the holes, and that becomes the immobile ion. Okay, so like this it forms the junction. So this one is called potential barrier or free space charge carrier, or a depletion region, you can say depletion region. The material. Okay, so positive negative means there has some voltage. According to Coulomb's law, it creates some potential barrier. Okay, so that is V gamma, we can represent threshold voltage or a cutting voltage, you can say. Okay, and the silicon material, if these two are made with, suppose N type made with silicon, it has the cutting voltage 0.7 volts. Okay, if these two made with, suppose germanium, it has the cutting voltage 0.3 volts. 0.3 volts. That means when you apply the external voltage more than this junction voltage, this is also called junction voltage, more than this junction voltage, then only the charge carriers moves from the one region to another region. Charge carriers means holes and electrons. Electrons moves from the one region to another region. So like this it forms the junction by using symbol. Okay, if you represent this formation of p junction diode, okay, the diode symbol is diode symbol. Okay, so diode symbol is like this. Okay, so the arrow mark is representing the current only one direction. Allow the current only one direction. And see here, this the terminal is called anode, and this side terminal is called cathode. Okay, so we are representing cathode N region, and anode we can say the p region. Okay, and the suppose the charge positive, and here the charge is negative. Charge is negative. Okay, and follow the direction only this way. This way only current allow. Okay, current goes only one direction. That's why we are calling this the lightly doped diode. This one is unipolar device, we can say. Diode is a unipolar device. Remember, important point, diode is unipolar device because current flows only one direction. So diode invented in the year 1948. John Bording. Why we are supposed calling diode means it has two electrodes. One is anode and cathode. One is anode and cathode. That's why we are calling this one is the diode. Two electrodes. Okay. The next one, if you see what is electronics means, study the movement of electrons in electronic device. Okay, so this one is the basic device. Diode is the basic device. Now you have to see the movement of charge carriers. That is nothing but how the charge moving from the p region to n region and n region to p region. How suppose the charge carrier is moving, you apply the external voltage. When you apply the external, the charge carriers moves from the one region to another region. You have to study the suppose what is the resistance through the diode and what is the voltage through the diode, what is the current through the diode. So remember everyone, in this subject we'll talk about only 4 points. Any device, if you see the diode, transistor, FET, okay, and other suppose digital circuits also, we'll see the only 4 words. Okay, so that is nothing but first one, resistance. What is the resistance through the, and what is the current, what is the voltage through the, what is the power through the device. So this 4 factor, if you know the particular device, this 4 point, you can easily do the suppose any applications. So that is only we'll see p type and n type material. Okay, p type and n type suppose the through the diode, that is only we'll see. And we know the suppose particular material conduction. Okay, I will explain you what is the suppose apply the suppose the bias voltage to the p region and n region. What happened? This is the p region. If you apply bias like this, positive and negative, p region having holes and magnetic carries electrons. Okay, magnetic carries electrons. So here electrons attract to the positive side because the electron charge is negative, and the holes attract to the negative side because charge is positive, whole charge is positive. So unlike charges attract each other and like charges repulse each other. So this is the in p type conduction, p type material conduction is like this if you apply the bias voltage. Okay, then similarly if you see the n region, so charge is negative, so electrons will be majority carriers in n region, and small minority carriers will be there, that is the pole. So here what happened means, similarly electrons attract to the positive potential, okay, holes attract to the negative potential, the same thing. Okay, so n region, electrons already there in a conduction band, okay, and holes, p region, holes, the electrons there in a valency band. Okay, right? So this way we can see conduction in a p region and n region. So after that we are combining these two material, it forms the junction. Okay, that is called PN junction diode. Okay, PN junction diode. So without applying bias voltage to the suppose this diode, so suppose what current what suppose is there any current or that all things will see in next session. Okay, without applying bias voltage and bias voltage that will see in next session. Okay.